Hi, it's me again, Elizabeth, coming at you. And today we're going to be doing another dance routine. And here's Lily. She's very sick. And she has a headache. And I just feel bad for her. Because now we're probably not going to get to do videos with her. Look at that poor thing. But put likes down below and put views down below so that she could be better. Maybe that will make her feel better. Anyways, I gotta get this remote. There's Smokey and Gigi. Come over here in my new house.
It's gonna be Martha.
I'm watching Price is Right. Not old granny yet. Okay.
It's a bacon.
Not American.
I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna stop.
Excuse me? Okay.
We the best music. I did it time of the meaning. I did it time of another one. I did it time of the meaning. I did it time of to the top of my baby. To the top of my DJ Khaled. I did it time of the meaning. 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 I need a pump behind me. Ain't gonna stop. I see the pump behind me. Ain't gonna stop. I see the pump behind me. Ain't gonna stop. I just jump off the Maybach. V12, C12. I do the whole dash with no seatbelt. Screaming free my meek male. Can't bully in this free world. Meanwhile, George Floyd, you sending infinity threat. Save your breath, you couldn't beat us by the step. Try that with a grown man. Kill that boy with my own hand and hop back in the coupe. Just go back to the mud, hop right out the soup. Save all that whoopie-whoop. Let's let the money talk, let the Uzi shoot. No Jews in this Patek Philippe. It's complicated, 3 million apiece. That's how we do time. You shot by the mag, that's how we do wine. 91,000 for a wine bill. Keep it real with you, that was wine bill. My whole team ball, everybody was star with the team ball. 61 with the thing off. Me and Blue having a sing off. That's a raspberry, beret. The kind you find in a secondhand store, that's a Venice piece. The kind of make haters kiss their teeth, you can't buy this new. I had to back, you know how I do. Two-tone with the powder blue. Really, to come out the stew. Khaled is valid every word.
Hold on, guys.
What you gonna do without us, dude?
That song was going way too far. Well, that was too short. Get this. We're gonna let my dog Gigi in. Not you, Snuffy. Come here, Gigi. Come here. No, not you. see her. You guys see her? My dog Gigi. She's part German Shepherd and Pit Bull. So anyways, put a like down below and make my friend feel better. Maybe that will make her feel better. And I want to see 10,000 likes down below. And also 700 views down below.